As promised, here's how I made my lids to go with the tinted jars we made. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so here is our tinted jars. So pretty. I love them so much. If you didn't see this, go back and watch it. It is so easy. Anyways, here are the lids that go to these jars. So I start by sanding them, and then I'm going to wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure that they're really free of dust. Then I'm going to use chalk paint, and I'm painting the top and sides of the lid. Now I'm using, this is Waverly chalk paint, and for some reason it takes 2 coats with this, but I did 2 coats with this one. I did one pink, which is 1 coat. Didn't need to do any more than that. And then I took some white chalk paint and just a couple drops of blue food coloring because I didn't have a blue chalk paint. So I made my own. So I mixed it together and then added that to one of our jars. Not jars, lids, sorry. Anyways, so once those are all dry, then I'm going to coat it with some just school glue, white school glue. That's all it is. And I'm going to just do the sides and the top. Do as thick or as thin as you'd like. The thicker you put it on, the more cracked, the bigger the cracks are going to be. Okay, we're going to let that dry. But now we've got these beads I got at Dollar General. They were 90% off. I know it was a garland, and I know people don't like it when I cut them apart, but I did. And I painted each of the beads, each of the colors to match our lids. Perfect. Then I'm going to do the same thing. When they're dry, I put the glue on them as well. Let it dry. Once they're dry, then we're going to add, I'm using the color is sheepskin chalk paint, and I'm going to cover each of our lids and our beads with it. Look at how easy peasy, right? And then we're going to add some, I heat it up to dry it with my heat gun, and look at, oh, the cracks. They're so cool. They're so awesome. I love them so much. And I did the same thing with the wood beads. I sanded the wood beads a little bit too because I was going for a really distressed vibe. I put some hot glue on the bottom, glued it to the top of our lid, and quit it. Just quit it. Look at, come on. My goodness, I love it. All right, but you know I can't stop there. If you hate distressing, turn away. It's okay. It's okay, but I am going to distress them. And all I did was dip my dry brush into some of this brown Waverly wax. It's not Waverly wax. Sorry, it's folk art. And I'm just going to dry brush and put it around. And look at how pretty. Oh, this is what it looks like before you distress. Hooray. But oh, look at it when I distress it. It looks so cool. To me, it looks cool. Again, if it's not your thing, that's okay. You're still great. But I did add some... I get distracted with how cool they look. Anyways, I did add just, I mean, this is a piece of drop cloth. It's canvas drop cloth, a piece of, I think, lace, and a piece of, it's like, what is it called? Shoot, macrame. That's it. Macrame yarn that I got at Dollar Tree. Look how cool. And I just tied it in a knot. I mean, stop. Look at how cute these are. Again, you don't have to do that part. You could do this with just a basic, you know, like just paint them. And you don't have to distress them or crackle them or anything. But, woo, if you like that vintage vibe, oh, look at how pretty. This is the green one, and here comes the pink one. Hooray. And then we have them all together. Oh, my gosh. Look at how pretty they look. And then I put them on the tray because, hello, I'm there for it. I am so there for it. And it was easy, and I'm using up stuff that would have gone in the trash. So, yay on all fronts. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.